In this video, we'll show you how to use your phone as a speaker for your PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. This method is perfect if your monitor doesn't have speakers but you still want to play sound through your device. You can easily use your phone as a speaker for your computer by following these steps. First, open your web browser on the computer and search for Audio Relay. Make sure to visit audiorelay.net. Once you're there, click Download and scroll down to find the Audio Relay for Desktop section. Click the Download button. After the download finishes, open your File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. From there, double-click the file to run the installer. Agree to any prompts that pop up and proceed with the installation. When prompted, make sure to select the necessary options, then click Next and Install. Once the installation is complete, check the box to launch Audio Relay, then click Finish to open the app. Now switch to your phone and open the Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top and type Audio Relay. I've searched for it before, so it shows up easily for me. Once you find it, click Install. After installation is complete, tap Open. When the app opens, tap Get Started. At the top, make sure Player is selected. Your computer should show up automatically, or you can manually type in the address displayed in the app on your computer. Tap your computer's name, then press Allow. Back on your computer, right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner and select Sound Settings. In the Output section, choose the virtual speakers for Audio Relay. Now, you can control the volume both from your computer and the app on your phone. Once everything is set up, any audio played on your computer will come through your phone.